Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add numbers in Excel. There are multiple ways to add numbers, but today we'll look at the most common and basic method. Here I have two columns, A and B, each containing 3 numbers. We will display the result in the third column. First, click in the result cell. Type equals. This tells Excel that we are entering a formula. Now select cell A2. This is called a cell reference because instead of typing the number manually, we are referring to the cell. Next, type plus and then select cell B2. Press enter. You will see the result of A2 plus B2. To apply the same formula to the other rows, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. A small plus sign will appear. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down for the other 2 rows. The formula will automatically adjust to A3 plus B3 and A4 plus B4. This method is very useful because if you change the values later, the result will update automatically. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.